Hey guys, it's Cal with the Lighting Doctor here. I'm going to show you guys today what you're going to get inside your do-it-yourself kit. Before I do that, I want to explain why we designed these do-it-yourself kits. So after installing lights for several years, we just got tired of all the garbage that was being sold out there, whether it be online or in the big box stores, and we saw so many people and homeowners and contractors installing lights using very poor quality materials, and we were having to go around and fix them. So we realized that people wanted to save some money and do it themselves, but we also wanted to give them the same materials and the same products that we use from some of the leading manufacturers of landscape lighting that have been around for a long time, not some fly-by-the-night operation that comes in, sells the lights, offers a 70% discount, gives you a lifetime warranty, and then good luck trying to get that warranty ever reimbursed or get those lights back. All we've done is we've gone and we've searched the best of the best products out there, the best of the best companies that have proven track records, and we've taken all their products and put them together in kits for you guys that are designed to work no matter what kit you buy. All the materials and everything there is built for the long term, whether it be bulbs that last 50,000 hours, waterproof connections that actually hold and keep the water out, fixtures that are built solid with premium quality materials, and you can feel the durability that are going to last 10, 15, 20 plus years. The proper wire that's not going to melt out on you, that you can never make repairs on. Everything inside these kits is the best of the best, and all we've done is put it together for you guys so that you don't have to go and sort through all the garbage that's online and all the stuff that's in the big box stores that, although it may be cheaper, in the long term, it usually isn't. But if you're looking for cheap, those are still good options. All we're doing is giving you premium quality materials at the best price we can possibly do that. So here's what you guys are going to find inside your kits. Hey guys, so here's what you're going to find inside your do-it-yourself starter landscape lighting kit. This is great if you're just getting started out and just looking to highlight or accent a few trees or bushes or shrubs, or maybe you have some architectural features around the house that you want to show off. This is going to be a great kit for you to get started, as it comes with just 8 LED accent lights. So what you're going to find inside this kit is you're going to find 8 of the FX Luminaire LED RS landscape lighting fixtures with 4.5 watt LED bulb. This is one of the most efficient landscape lighting bulbs on the market, rated for between 30 and 50,000 hours of life. Every fixture comes with a 10-foot lead wire, so it gives you lots of play and wiggle room inside your kit. Along with those 8 lights, you're also going to get a package of 20 of the BBS2 snap lock connectors that are gel filled to keep the water out, as well as they snap tight on the wire to help keep those from ripping apart over time. You're also going to find 250 feet of premium quality low voltage landscape lighting wire. This is meant to be directly buried into the ground, 6 to 8 inches. You don't need to use a conduit. Just leave a little loop at every fixture so that if you ever need to move that light or make adjustments, you have a little bit of wiggle room. You're also going to get your 60 watt Kichler transformer with this kit that very simply just plugs into your GFCI receptacle outdoors, and then it's got a couple simple timer functions. It has a photocell on it, so your lights will automatically operate from dawn till dusk, as well as a couple timer options setting here where you can actually have your lights turn off after 4, 6, or 8 hours after they've been on. But something else we throw inside your kit to make it Wi-Fi at no extra charge is the Weon Wi-Fi transformer. Very simply, this plugs into your GFCI receptacle, your transformer plugs into the bottom, and now you can operate your lights using a simple app from Weon that's compatible with Amazon Alexa, and you can operate those lights from anywhere in the world. The other thing it does is it gives you a bunch of timer options, the most popular being the astrological timing. So all this does now is basically you can set your lights based on your geographic location to go off on and off with dawn and dusk. So you don't have to worry about a photocell failing or anything like that. This will automatically adjust based on dawn and dusk in your geographical area, as well as give you about 7 other different timer options. But if you want, you can also play with those lights and turn them on and off from anywhere in the world, if you're in your backyard or if you're in Hawaii, as well as it's voice activated and works with Amazon Alexa as well. We've also thrown in a couple other tools and things to help make your installation go that much smoother. A complete installation guide to kind of walk you through some ideas and some tips and some techniques to to do. But if you want more help and you want a free guide or free consultation to help you design your system and find out what's going to be the best place to put these lights, send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a couple pictures of your property, and I'll walk you through maybe a couple of the places that you should put those lights to give you the best lighting effects possible and really give your neighbors something to talk about. So as always, send me an email with any of your comments or questions to cal@lightingdoctor.ca.